Hello my viewers, welcome back. This is Pasco or Mr. Distinctions. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe now. Thank you for those who have just subscribed. Keep on following me as we are moving together in this academic journey. In today's video, I'm sharing with you question 7B of Science Paper 1, 2017 GCE. And this question was based on the topic which is called magnetism. Okay, let's go to the question. Question B7 reads, figure B7.1 shows magnetic field lines between the poles of two magnets. So we have been given these magnetic field lines between the poles of two magnets. We have this magnet and this magnet. Let's go to the first question. Question B7A, name point R. So we have been told to name this point. Okay. Here what you need to know is that whenever you see a point which is in between the magnetic fields which have repelled, just know that that point is called a neutral point. So the answer for this question is what? A neutral point. Neutral what? Point. That was the first answer. Let's go to question B. Question B, we have been asked that if P is a south pole, this P is a south pole, what are the poles Q and T? What are these two poles? This one and this one. Okay. What you need to know and understand is that each and every magnet has got how many poles? Two poles. Each and every magnet has got a south pole and a north pole. So in this case whereby you have been told that P, this P of this magnet is a south pole, then just know that this one, the remaining one, is a north pole. So the answer for this question is what? North what? North pole. That was the answer for Q. What about for T? This one. So if you consider the what is happening over here, there is a repulsion which is taking place right over here. And whenever you see a repulsion is taking place, just know that the two poles, which is this one and this one, are the same. So in this case whereby we have been told that this pole is a south pole and this is a north pole, then just know that even this one is a north pole, because that according to the law of magnetism, the law of magnetism states that like poles do what? Repel. Well, unlike poles do what? Attract. So if there is a repulsion which is taking place right over here, it means that these two poles are the same. And if this is a north pole, it means even this one is a north pole. And remember at first I said that each and every magnet has got how many poles? Two. If this is a north pole, then it means that this one is a south pole. And that was the answer for T. T is a south pole. Okay, let's go to question C. Explain how soft ion keepers help magnets retain their magnetism for a longer period of time. Here what you need to know is that as a permanent magnet ages, its magnetism weakens. For that reason, in most cases, we use what? Soft ion keepers. What do? They prevent the spreading of what? Of magnetic fields, which weaken what? The magnet. Hence, these soft ion keepers help magnets retain their magnetism for a longer period of time by doing what? By preventing the spreading of what? Of magnetic fields. So ion keepers help magnets retain their magnetism by doing what? Preventing the spreading of what? Magnetic what? Magnetic fields. And that was the answer for this question. Question D, state two differences between iron and steel as magnetic materials. And the first answer for this question is that when talk of iron is to do what? To magnetize. But when talk of is steel, when talk of steel is hard to magnetize. Then the second reason or difference, because we are told we have to give two differences. The second difference, in the same manner, when talk of iron again is very easy to do what? To demagnetize. But when talk of steel is hard to do what? To demagnetize. And these were the answers for this question. Thank you very much for watching. Keep on following me.